Your Grace, urgent news. Daenerys has launched. Her dragons are heading straight for Lord Jaime's convoy. They are moving fast. If we don't act immediately, they won't make it.
Inform Jaime. Now. I don't care how. Ride. Send a raven. Scream it into the wind if you must. He needs to know she's coming.
I'm sending a warning to the forward scout in the convoy. The signal will reach him through the secure channel. Sending the signal message now. The app's frozen. It's stuck on the loading screen. I don't know if the message went through.
Make sure Sir Jaime gets this message before they strike. If he's not prepared, it won't be just his blood on your hands. It'll be yours next. What is it now? Why hasn't the message been sent? What's taking so long? Is it the device? Or is it you? Speak, before I lose the last of my patience.
Apologies, Your Grace. I think I know the problem. The app wasn't performance tested before release. It likely froze under the pressure of the emergency load.
Who do you think you are? Speaking out like that? How dare you? What is it you're trying to imply?
I'll handle it. I'll send the message through my app. It's performance tested. I'll reach one of our colleagues in the convoy, and he'll get the warning to Sir Jaime. Don't worry, sister. He'll know.
You'd better send that message. Quickly. You spoke without my permission. And what did you just call me?
I don't understand. The message was delivered. Sir Jaime's safe. I did everything right. Why am I in here? And what did I do wrong here?
First off, never call her sister. You've just made it personal. And now she'll make sure she gets what she wants. If you know what I mean. As for the app, performance testing was crucial. They were supposed to upskill the soldiers to handle situations like this. If they had, none of this would have happened. But now, well, here we are.
Don't be a fool like Cersei's knight. Upskill your team with Practoperf. Master JMeter. Understand performance testing. Learn, practice, and excel.